how to understand Temu's refund timelines. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to understand better about Temu's refunds? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. You need to open up your browser and then go to temu.com. Now go to support in the top right and then go to support center. And here you'll find various articles regarding refund that will help you understand better. So in the search bar, just type refund and then hit search and you'll get various articles that might help you out. So you can just tap on it and then you can get answers to all of the FAQs. So if this is not helpful for you, you can go to no and then you can tap I can understand this information or more, and then you can tell us the reason why you think this was unhelpful. And then if you want to contact the chatbot, then you need to go to the main page of the help center and then go to contact us and then ask them questions right here. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.